Welcome guys to another video for advanced in-car technology. So today we've been working on this E-Class Mercedes 2012. It's the W207 chassis, and it's coming to us for an aftermarket but factory style reversing camera with moving guidelines and all integrated into the main screen that came from factory. So we'll just jump around to the back and show you what we've done. Right, so we're at the back of the car. Sorry it's a bit grubby, the car's come down for quite a way on its long journey to get to us, so we haven't had a chance to give it a clean, and we're just going to show you the reversing camera that Richard's popped in there here. Usual one of our satin black cameras that looks as OE or as factory as possible, and it can't go dead centre because of the boot latch opening, so it goes off to one side in the position that the factory camera would be sitting at. And now we can jump in and see what it looks like. Right, okay, so we're now sat in this car, and this has the NTG 4.5 system. It's all a load of numbers and letters, but it all makes a difference because Mercedes have climbed progressively up through their systems. It's a relatively entry-level system. We've got the colour display here, and we have integrated our aftermarket but factory-style camera with the factory screen that you see. Otherwise, it just wouldn't be very nice to have a rear view mirror monitor or something on the dashboard. And all we do is we put the ignition on like so, pop it into reverse, camera switches over. With these particular interfaces you can turn off some of the extras like the warning and also parking sensor information, because Mercedes use their own segment displays, and then we've got a nice clean clear image up on the display. It is limited by the resolution of the Mercedes screen, but we don't have any control over that, and you will of course get moving guidelines. Now I'm not going to turn the engine on in the workshop because it's a diesel, it's really loud and noisy, and just believe me when I say we've got moving guidelines, and we can show you that in a second anyway. So that's it, we pop it back into park, screen comes back on, go back into reverse like so, and image will flick over immediately. You can just see the lower bumper in there, so that it gives you an idea of what you've got, but you've also got your parking sensors in conjunction with the reversing camera. And these convertibles have a really poor viewing angle, so looking out the back or the wing mirrors or the sides, it's not great. So having a reversing camera is a great added bonus. So again, when you pop it into drive, radio will come back on, no problem, no effect, and then pop it back into reverse, you've got your moving guidelines with a nice clean image. So this is a 2012 Mercedes E-Class Convertible W207 chassis running the NTG 4.5 audio system in here, and this is an aftermarket but factory style reversing camera with a wedge camera and moving guidelines. If you've got a car like this or know somebody that wants a reversing camera to help you park and manoeuvre a bit easier, then get in touch with us. Website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and thanks for watching.